Massillon, Ohio, HVAC Contractor License Bond. What is the Massillon, Ohio, HVAC Contractor License Bond? A Massillon, Ohio, HVAC Contractor License Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install, repair, or maintain heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems in the city. It serves as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow local laws, codes, and regulations. This bond involves three parties: the contractor, principal, the city, obligee, and the surety company that backs the bond. Why is Massillon, Ohio, HVAC Contractor License Bond required? The bond is required to protect the public and the city of Massillon from financial loss due to a contractor's non-compliance or poor workmanship. It ensures that HVAC contractors operate responsibly and meet safety and building standards. By requiring this bond, the city helps maintain quality work and accountability within the industry. How does Massillon, Ohio, HVAC Contractor License Bond work? If a contractor violates regulations or fails to complete work properly, a claim can be filed against the bond by an affected party. The surety company may compensate the claimant up to the bond amount if the claim is valid. The contractor is then responsible for repaying the surety for any amount paid out, ensuring accountability for their actions. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.